You think we can scare Josh and Brent? On this week's episode of Try to Scare Josh and Brent, I'm gonna try to scare Josh and Brent as they walk out of the door as we get ready to go to the gym, spelled J-I-M. Stay tuned. I'm hiding in the corner of the garage. It's humid. It's about 78 degrees in Florida. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm not hydrated enough for this. I'm shaking. I feel my heart pound deeper and deeper every second I wait. It's gonna be a good one. I can feel it. Oh, I can feel it. I think they're coming. Hold on.
Josh, you got his headphones?
Got him. And he even saw me coming. Hit him with the bait. Alright, let's get Josh now. Brent, bait him out here.
Josh, you got your headphones. Let's go. You got it? Yep. All right.
Good work.
Why do you think
Nice, buddy!
Yeah.
I'm not scared of you.
It's because you have a stringer on.
Ice in his veins.
Ice in my fucking
Blood in his eyes.
Ice in my fucking veins.
Alright, we're going to hit the gym.
Another day in paradise, people.
It's another shitty day in Florida, which means we sat inside all day and now we're going to work out.
Another shitty day of Florida.
But you know, it's better than being in Michigan. Michigan's like 11 degrees right now. So that's nice.
Anything's better than home.
Oh, I dropped it.
Oh, that's mine.
More and eating less.
Do you actually have Josh's headphones?
Me?
That bag, Justin?
I don't know. Is Rob Schneider a carrot? Why would they be in here, Josh?
Looking pretty fucking small.
At number 2
Look at
this
that right
week,
here.
it moved. Here is Casey and the Sunshine Band.
Casey and the Sunshine Band, baby.
Alright.
Full one. Do you need water, anyone?
Nope. I'm just gonna sweat my dick sack off today. Oh, that's going in the vlog.
Yep, dick sack. That's a new one. Alright. We'll see you guys after the gym. Oh,
Holy
that
crap.
was a good workout.
Dude,
we lost Brent.
Brent's gone. I'm dripping wet right now.
I feel weird.
Crazy workout today. Doing a bit of hit cardio after.
I can feel my body. We need to get food, not Chipotle, because we've eaten it about 57 times. And I need a shower. Shower in the rain, and I'll see you after the rain. We're making a quick pit stop at Earth Fare, everyone's healthy supermarket, because Josh needs his food to fuel him, and didn't want to stop at fast food like me and Brent did.
At Body by Berg. Follow me on Instagram. Swipe up. Link in bio.
Shameless plug.
You can't swipe up on a YouTube video, but good
link in
try.
bio down below.
Everyone go follow Random Facts by Brent. It's a new Instagram. We're making it right now.
We're also debuting Josh Quotes.
Josh Quotes. Actually, no,
Updated return from the Twitter account is now featured on Instagram.
Yep, there we go. And we're just basically in a Publix, except it's gonna be more expensive. Here we go, Brent. A new oven roasted turkey. That's what you need. A little slap and tickle.
You guys getting anything?
No, you wanted to come in here.
I just wanted to check it out. It's like
Oh, I just wanted to check out a supermarket. Oh, Josh Quotes. First Josh quote. Just wanted to check out the supermarket. Very successful trip at the Earth Fare. What's it called?
Sustainable
The
diner.
Earth Fare Healthy Supermarket. We got absolutely nada.
Always got a ginger shot though.
But we did get our first Josh quote. I just want to check out the supermarket. And not buy anything. Next stop, Apoyo Tropico Rapido.
Más rápido.
Update, we're not getting Pollo Tropico, it looked like shit. So
Yeah, that was a big letdown.
so we're just gonna go home and eat chicken salad, I
Honestly, I was
guess.
expecting it to be like a tropical smoothie. Honestly, it was
Really?
nothing like a tropical smoothie.
It's like a mix between Boston Market and Chick-fil-A, kinda. I don't know.
pizza in there.
Let's go to BurgerFi now. Just kidding, I want chicken salad.
Just kidding, I want beef jerky.
Hey, how's it going, buddy? Josh has been wearing a stringer tank top every single day since we've been here in Florida.
It's warm. What do you want from me?
Big stringer guy. My hand's shaking. I gotta go. See you guys later. Bye. What are we doing?
Changing the light bulb, buddy.
No, we don't have to. We can go we can go somewhere closer here. No, because we're not gonna go till late anyways, like 11:30 midnight. So we can go anywhere.
Don't fall, buddy. Don't fall, buddy.
Is it hard to get out?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Well, don't break it. Don't break your hand and you don't get
One time I
Yeah, Brent, don't break
crushed
it.
a glass bowl in my hand while I was trying to unscrew it.
That's what I was afraid of.
Yeah, that's what I was getting nervous.
Brent's too strong after this week.
After this Body by Bird week.
Nice, buddy.
Wait, no, hold on.
Yeah.
Oh! It worked. Test it.
Okay?
Yeah.
Will that go back up?
Yeah.
Yay.
There we go.
Yeah. You gotta do that one
Over the shower.
now. Yeah.
Okay. I'll sit on Josh's shoulders.
with a shower. That's fine. It's no big deal.
No, we'll fix it.
I'll sit on Josh's shoulders for that one.
I don't know if
Let me
we'll be able to reach that.
I have an idea. Brent, catch. Oh, scared you there, buddy. Scared you. Going to get some dinner. What do you get, sushi?
Yep, I'm getting sushi. California rolls.
That's not real sushi.
I got rainbow roll.
Brush.
Very fun.
How's the bathroom? I gotta use it. One person?
Yeah. In your dominant hand, you gotta bury the one.
Yeah, like that.
As far
And then
back
put
in
this
your
one
hand as possible.
like this. Hold it with your thumb. There. You got it.
Only use your index finger.
Good job, buddy.
So,
Alright, you wanna do
Where
sake?
do I use my index finger? This one?
Yeah, like that, except do it so it's.
giving you a headache?
Hold this one still in your fingers.
So you want your middle finger as far down on that other one as possible. So this finger's gotta come down onto that. So put them
Down forward or down back?
down towards this end. So yeah, you want those equal there,
So you want your finger on here? Oh, like that.
and then you only use your index finger. Your thumb's a balancer.
Now start moving it. There you go. Yeah.
I got a dynamite.
What'd you get over here, Trento?
I don't know.
Brent already has the meat sweats.
What's inside of that?
What it do, baby? What I do?
What I do, baby? Good dinner. You got anything to say to the vlog, Joshua?
Time to get drunk, baby.
Nice. I'm a toothpick guy now. Brent, you a toothpick guy?
No toothpicks for me.
I got you. I got them in my pocket. Hold on, let me find it. Bring. Toothpick, guys. Now leave the wrapper on, man. Until it's done. Transition into us drinking. I lied. We're going to get White
Things
Claw.
to drink.
We're going to get things to drink at the public. Okay. Josh wants tequila, but I don't think they have any here because we're at a grocery store. So it looks like we're getting White Claws, and Josh is gonna get angry.
And they're playing John Mayer through the speaker, so it's that kind of night.
Good.
Where's the White Claw?
Oh, here. Here's the right
There's
section.
the White Claw.
You found the right section. Where's it at? 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 Where's it at?
Where the hell?
Should we get Josh? Oh, they only have the Dirty Truly. Oh my. They have the dirtiest flavors. Should we just get beer at this point? No. Brad wants to get Bush Heavy.
Actually, I want the orange cans if we really have my own way. Oh.
What? Yingling? Josh, you're in for a time, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
I'm putting bets on it right now. Josh gets mad when we try to ice
Yeah,
it.
we're in trouble.
Alright, here we go.
Here. Did you actually get me?
Yeah.
Assholes.
Did they not get it for you?
No.
We got him tequila.
You,
No.
he
Yeah,
said
we got him
He
tequila.
said that you would know what to get him.
This is what they got.
Have it at Publix.
They didn't have liquor at Publix. Got him. Since Josh isn't taking one, me and Brent will take one for the team. Thank you, young kind sir. Oh my God.
They are
They are frozen, if you can feel that.
Binder.
All right, Josh, at least film it for us, buddy.
Rob Schneider, please. And stay blue.
I'm not ready for this.
very cold.
One more. My knee's broken.
My leg's broken.
Oh my God. How'd you do that? No, it's freezing.
It's just so cold.
It's frozen. I gave up. I gave up.
Just as shit, I'm short sick.
Laugh attack.
Rob Schneider plays a carrot. He's going to learn that being a carrot is not that easy.
Rob Schneider is a Wall Street executive with everything going for him. Only problem is, he's about to become a carrot. I'm a carrot. It's 24 karat comedy. Rob Schneider is a carrot. Rated PG-13.
Here we go.
The Uber's here. I'm not bringing the camera, so.
What?
I can't, it won't fit in my pocket. Should I bring it? I'll just use my phone. Make sure to subscribe because, you know, that always helps. Porto potty. Are you shitting?
Dude, this has never been changed in here.
What do you mean?
It's actually disgusting.
Hurry up, dude. Whoever decided to leave this porta potty in the middle of the road in Fort Lauderdale is a sick puppy. There's shit, piss, underwear, and diarrhea lathered in the Friendly John. How you doing in there, Brent? You're a sick puppy, you know that?
Shots fired. Woo! Back to the future. Whoa. Catching air like I hit a floated Buddha. Whoa. Move bitch out the way like I'm Luda. Whoa. I'm making moves like I'm doing Kama Sutra. Woo! Doing Kama Sutra. Whoa. Move bitch out the way like I'm Luda. Whoa. Doing Kama Sutra. Whoa. Move bitch out the way.
Alright, we're going to bed now. Brent made it home. You feeling good? You'll feel good in the morning.
Her fucking iPhone cord.
I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night.
Like I'm Luda. Hold up. I fell in love.